This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, my name is CSR. In this video, I would like to cover why do you need to choose IT Corp Analytics to become a data scientist or big data analytics engineer. Okay, so there are majorly 6 points which we need to consider to get into data science and big data analytics. So because there is a lot of material and there are a lot many training centers, lot many trainers are offering this data science or big data analytics course. So I thought, okay, let me do one video on like how to why people should choose my IT Corp Analytics and my classes. Okay, let's start with it. And first one is industry ready content. Second one is very rich material. Third one is integrated modules. Simplified delivery of topics is fourth one. Fifth one is a resume preparation. Sixth one is 100% transformation into data science and big data analytics. So let me elaborate each and every point in the next slides. Right. So first one is industry ready content. See, this content, whatever I have prepared for my course is all from my experience. I worked on many real-time projects. I have total 20 years of IT experience, out of which 9 years into data science and the big data analytics world. More than 10 projects started from scratch and implemented those projects till end. So I have also handled a lot of big data teams and data science teams. So with my own experience, I have prepared a very industry ready curriculum. And with that curriculum, anybody can get into project right from the day one and work independently without anybody's support. So that's where I say my content is very, very rich. Content covers end-to-end project implementation. Many places you will miss this kind of the implementation, like end-to-end project implementation. So many people get trained outside from different trainers, different training centers, but even after training they will not be knowing where to start, where to end, and what is a project, and what are things involved in the project. But in my classes, the content will cover end-to-end project implementation. Second one is very, very important, very rich material. Why I say very rich material? I did a lot of R&D. I studied many books which are released by founders, not only from founders, and there are many, the companies released from their experiences, from their projects, from their case studies, from their problem statements. So I've gone through, I spent almost more than 6 months time and gathered a lot of very rich material, and which is very simple material based on the topics. So I'll be explaining about those materials in the class itself, how to read that material and what to be read and what to be skipped. And I basically classify materials two types. So one will cover theoretical concepts, another one will cover practical concepts. So theoretical concepts will help you to crack any interview, to understand the concepts. The practical concepts will help you to gain real-time knowledge, and which will enhance your hands-on skills, right? So there are many lot of case studies on every module. So material can be used to work in projects. What I'm trying to say here is like the material what I'm going to give you in classes that can help you to work in the projects. You can refer the material and do your projects in your real-time environment. Next one is integrated modules. So all modules are integrated modules here in my classes, like Hadoop, Spark, Scala, Python. So nothing is individual or independent here. Every module is interlinked with other module. For example, if you take Hadoop, if you take Spark and we integrate Spark and Hadoop. If you take Python and Scala with Spark, Spark with Python, Spark with the Scala integration. So if you have a AWS cloud or a Google cloud platform, so we will learn how to integrate the Spark, Scala, Python, Hadoop modules within AWS, within GCP cloud platforms, and how to start development and how to deploy them in a production environment, right? So end-to-end project, start to finish, will be taught in my integrated modules. A simplified delivery of topics. So I have a vast experience in delivering classes. I have trained more than 3,000 people across the globe in different countries and variety of people. Most of my classes are very simple and anybody can understand my class. So my unique skill is like simplifying a complex topics and make them understand in the class itself. So the most of the things they understand in the class itself. They don't need to read again and again multiple times. I use very simple language, very good technical terms, and which will be helpful in interviews and projects also. So yeah, and I cover hands-on for every topic what I teach theoretically. I also link with hands-on. That's where the people gain very rich experience with the topics what I cover, the hands-on skills. Because in the class itself we will understand installations, configurations, and integrating modules, and identifying a projects, doing projects end to end. Then the coming to the resume preparation. The resumes are prepared based on a job description. I also take care of every individual resume preparation. I connect every individual and prepare resume, understanding their existing profiles and past experience. Okay, and then go through their projects, or what is relevant to them, like where they are strong. So based on that, I'll select projects, domains, and the role and responsibilities. And this is a separate mentorship will be given for every individual. So this is very much important, the resume part, because this is going to talk to your HR, and the HR will shortlist based on your resume. So this is where we are going to apply our unique skills, which is not there anywhere else. It's not going to be a copy paste resume. So we are going to prepare from my experiences. And what is guaranteed here? Well, I am guaranteeing the transformation into data science and big data analytics. You can, after my training, after my classes, you can confidently say that you are 100% transformed into data science and big data analytics. You can go as a data scientist, you can go as a big data analytics engineer, data engineer, or you can go as a big data architect. So I do follow up on every individual. I connect to every individual and understand their the problems or challenges of learning this data science and big data analytics. So I coach them individually or mentor them individually. So I keep doing a follow-up till they understand the concepts, till they get into the companies. Okay, so this is all from my video. Thank you so much. I hope this information will be useful to you to get into data science and big data analytics proper, to choose proper classes. Thank you so much.